Hello my dear students. Today in this video I'm going to explain you how to type in different languages in the Google Sheet. Google Classroom supports Google Sheets, so when you receive an assignment from your teacher which is in Google Sheet, you need to write your answer in that sheet in that language and return to your teacher. And today I'll discuss with you how we are going to do it. When you go to your class in the Google Classroom, you will see that the dashboard here where you can find out what your teacher has sent to you. If there's any note given to you related to that work which is appearing here, if you click on this, for example, your teacher has sent this to you because this was taught to you in the class, and this your teacher sends to you in the Google Classroom so that you can go through this note and explanations, and this is going to help you. And the question which you have received on this particular topic is your work is here. You click on it and you come down and you can see that the work is given to you, and we know that we have to write in Hindi. Generally, when you open a Google Doc, you will see that it allows you to write in English only, or whatever font is available with you here. Now, since we have to write in in Hindi, what we are going to do is we go to the file first, come down to the language, all that you have to do is go to file, scroll down until you get to the language, and you can see there are many languages which you can write in. You can see, scroll down, this Nepali, Marathi, Hindi, Bangla, Punjabi, Gujarati, and these some South Indian languages, and there's a Thai language here, and then we have a Korean language. And I think if you scroll down, there will probably be the French and Tamil, I don't know, but there would some sort of hint that you can write in those languages too. So we are concerned with the Hindi, and I'm going down to find out where the Hindi is. Here is the Hindi. I'll click on Hindi. Once I click on the Hindi, I'll see this alphabet here, which is Hindi alphabet. So now I click on this and click the Hindi which appears here. Click on this Hindi and bingo, we can start in writing Hindi from here. This is here, it's not a translation thing. It's only you write, means you type in English, it will automatically convert it into the language you're looking at. For example, if I write in Hindi here, but what I'm saying is that aha, मुझे हिंदी में टाइप करना आ गया. So you simply have to type in English and that it will show you in that language. Or suppose you want to change your language, you again go to the file and go to the language and say any other language you want to write in, say Punjabi, and you can see the alphabet A here in Punjabi. Click again and comes Punjabi here. Now I write saying that मुझे पंजाबी लिखना आ Yeah. Now this is in Punjabi now. And if you want to write in some other language, again go down there, go to the language section and choose a language, say Nepali language. Here you can see the alphabet Ne. Again click here, click, and if I say, so now मैले नेपाली लेख्न सीखी हालें. So you can see that you can, whatever language you want to write, you can write. So when your teachers give you homework, assignment in that particular language, write in that sheet which is given to you, and if you practice, it will not be a difficult task. Very soon you will understand this. The only the problem here is this video which I've made will work for those students who are writing or working through the laptop or the desktop. Very soon I'll update you with another tutorial where I'll tell you how to write the answers in different language while you're using your mobile phone. Happy learning.